Hey, Burry. I brought dessert. Did you hear about the scarecrow who won an award? Let me guess, Rocky. He was outstanding in his field? You always get him. How do you do it?
It's a gift. Speaking of gifts, why don't scientists trust atoms?
Atoms? I don't know, Barry. Why? Because they make up everything.
Okay, my turn. What do you call a fake noodle?
A fake noodle. An impasta. Whoa, you're good at this. You know, this reminds me of another joke. What do you call a lazy kangaroo? A lazy kangaroo? I've got nothing. Pouch potato. You know, Bury, this was the best meal I've ever had. You're a true culinary genius.
Thanks, Rocky. I guess you could say I'm a Bigfoot in the kitchen.
All right, let's get this kitchen set up. It's gonna be gorgeous. The ingredients have arrived. Hey, Burry, why did the melon jump into the lake? I don't know, Rocky. Why? Because it wanted to be a watermelon.
All right, good one. Now let's get this bird ready. I have a foul feeling this is going to be delicious.
Grinding spices. Did I ever tell you about the seasoning that was a great singer?
No, you haven't.
Yeah, he was a real thyme lord.
That's a good one. This chicken is getting a better spa treatment than I do.
Time to make the cooking pot. What's a ghost's favorite fruit?
Bay City, base. Blueberries. Oh, how do you know all of them? Why did the lumberjack get fired? No idea, Burry. He just couldn't hack it. You're on fire today, Burry. Literally.
What do you call a pepper that's annoying you?
What?
Jalapeno business.
Very good, Rocky. You're getting the hang of it. This salad is about to beat all the others. Why did the lemon stop rolling down the hill? It ran out of juice.
This looks amazing. It's like a party in a bowl.
And perfection. Whew, I can't wait to see what's inside. It smells incredible.
Behold, the legendary melon pot rice. Whoa!
This is the fanciest camping meal ever.
Well, Rocky, there's only one thing left to do. What's that? I was going to tell another joke, but I don't want to butcher the moment.